Good morning, everyone. Nick, First Class Home Inspections in Phoenix. The home was built in 1955. It's been recently reflipped, kind of in progress, but some pretty big issues that I found on the roof. Let's take a look. So this has been an enclosed, when I say Arizona room. Biggest issue we got right here is a complete hole into the inside. That's basically drywall down there. So obviously water is going to get in there. And then here they pop through a pipe plumbing vent. There's no flashing. Gaps around here directly into the roof. And then over here, well, there's a flashing here. So there should be a pipe coming through here. There's not. I know it's not going to be sealed in here, but there's actually no pipe. It goes right down into the drywall on top of the ceiling. So we have 3 areas of major penetration here on this roof. And this actual rear roofing here is actually deteriorated. Looks like some hail damage, and it's older, so it needs to be replaced anyway. We're getting near that span. So there's some pretty big issues on this home that need to be addressed. Flippers a lot of times take shortcuts, or they don't really know what they're doing. So very imperative. Just because it looks pretty inside, it can definitely have some major issues on the outside and even on the inside. They just try to cover it up, but that's our job, is to find it. For all your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspections, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com. And don't forget to like our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time. Thank you.